Hi everyone! Welcome to the XPPen channel. In figure drawing, the head, neck, and shoulders serve as the visual focal point, with the head being the first thing one notices. It is the primary area that reflects a character's expressions. Today, we will provide a detailed tutorial on depicting the 5 perspectives of the human head in art, ensuring that you can easily master this skill, enhancing the vividness, three-dimensionality, and professionalism of your artwork. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more tutorials like these. 1. Frontal view. Step 1. Begin by constructing a geometric diagram, drawing a regular circle and a square with a cross inside. This aids in establishing the basic structure of the head. Step 2. Next, using the 3-part proportion of the face, sketch the jawline downward. The length of the jaw should be equal to 2 parts of the previously drawn square. The overall proportion of the head to the jaw is approximately 2:1. Once this proportion is established, it plays a crucial role in shaping the overall structure of the head. With this step, we have outlined the preliminary shape of the head. Step 3. Based on the preliminary outline, further refine the rough sketch. In this step, adjust the vertical rigid guidelines to angled lines that simulate the actual contours of the face. Modify the straight guideline into a trapezoid with a wider top and a narrower bottom, and then add the contours of the ears on both sides. Step 4. Erase any excess guidelines, fill in a gray base color, and deepen the shading on both sides of the jaw to create a 3-dimensional, clean, and concise frontal view of the character's head. 2. Profile view. Step 1. Similar to the frontal view of the head, start by creating the overall shape of the head using a circle and a square with a cross inside. Step 2. Unlike the frontal view, in this step, specify the orientation of the head. Since it is in a sideways position, the jaw in this step does not extend towards the center but rather extends to the right. The length of the extension remains equal to the side length of the small square. Step 3. This step may pose a challenge. First, sketch the outline of the ears within the square guidelines. Then, based on the guidelines drawn in the second step, outline the nose and the sunken eye sockets within the square guidelines. Connect the jaw and ear outlines to obtain the contour of the jaw angle. Finally, adjust the angle of the neckline, resulting in a preliminary side view of the head. Step 4. Remove the previously drawn cluttered guidelines, leaving only the genuine side view of the head. Fill it with a gray base color to present a natural and vivid side view of the head. 3. 3/4 profile view. Step 1. Continuing with the geometric construction method, start by drawing a circle and a left cross oval. Step 2. Establish the central axis indicating the orientation of the face. Below the vertical line within the oval, draw the jawline extending to the side of the face. The height of the jaw is approximately half of the oval previously drawn, with the radius of the oval equidistant from the jaw. Divide the entire head into 3 equal parts. Fill in a gray base color to obtain the preliminary outline. Step 3. Based on the preliminary outline, adjust the angle of the jaw and the curvature of the side of the face. Deepen the cross-section of the head on the side to enhance the 3-dimensional effect. Step 4. Handle the details by removing excess guidelines. Fill in a gray base color and intensify the side cut of the head, symbolizing the ear. With these adjustments, the work is complete. 4. Downward 3/4 view. Step 1. As usual, start by drawing a circle, followed by a left cross-clockwise oval. Step 2. Incorporating an upper angle perspective, establish the central axis indicating the orientation of the face. Below the vertical line within the oval, draw the jawline extending to the side of the face. Step 3. Based on the preliminary outline, adjust the angle of the jaw and the curvature of the side of the face to enhance the 3-dimensional effect. Step 4. Attend to the details, as they ultimately determine success or failure. After removing excess guidelines, fill in a gray base color and intensify the side cut of the head, symbolizing the ear. With these adjustments, a half-profile head from an overhead angle is complete. 5. Upward 3/4 view. Step 1. In accordance with the usual procedure, start by drawing a circle, followed by a left cross counterclockwise oval. Step 2. Incorporating a lower angle perspective. Establish the central axis, indicating the orientation of the face. Below the vertical line within the oval, draw the lower forehead extending to the side of the face. Step 3. Based on the preliminary outline, deepen the side cut of the head and the bottom of the jaw to enhance the three-dimensional effect. Step 4. After adjusting the angle of the jaw and the curvature of the side of the face, delete excess guidelines. Fill in a gray base color and intensify the side cut of the head, symbolizing the ear. With these adjustments, a half-profile head from an upward angle is complete. Alright, this is today's tutorial on the 5 perspectives of the human head. Have you successfully acquired these skills? This method of drawing is not only efficient but also concise and vivid, isn't it? Now, seize your pen and begin your artistic journey. Subscribe our channel and we hope you have enjoyed this tutorial.